probably not happy that I'm gonna go do this. I have Find My Friends through Apple on my phone, so I am tracking where his location is. Oh, he's on the freeway. Why is he driving so slow on the freeway? If you remember back to a previous video, we got Lincoln a blue Tesla Model Y. So this car, for when he turns 16 years old, this is what he'll be driving if he can get his good grades. Right now he's on track to get good grades, which is good. But today is the very last day of his driver's school, and I wanna go follow him around town and see if I can find him while he's like in the act of driving the driver's ed car without distracting him. I want him to be safe and good, but I wanna kinda see him out there. And then also an update. We did send in our Tesla Model Y, so Lincoln's car, to get the dent fixed. And after about 3 weeks, they did fix the dent without having to replace the door. So let me show you what this looks like. So this is it. That's it right there. This is where the dent was. It was right on this area. I can show you some of the footage of what it used to look like. But now the door looks great. I don't know what they did to fix it, but it looks good. Anyways, Lincoln's car is awesome. I'm so grateful that we have it, and I'm so grateful that he's learning how to drive safely. He's been going to class for about 4 weeks now and learning everything that he needs to learn about driving, and tomorrow is his driver's test where he actually drives with the person and has to do like the parallel parking and all that stuff. So today is not only his last day of driving around for an hour and a half around town with a driver in the car, but also it's his last time before he takes the big test. If he passes today and he passes his test tomorrow, then what that means is on January 3rd, when it's his birthday, his 16th birthday, we can walk into the DMV and he can just give him the papers, they take a picture, they give him a license. He's done. Let's go see if we can find Lincoln. This would be fun. I actually have not seen him driving around in the car, but I would imagine it's like most driver's ed cars. They just drive really, really slow and the drivers look really inexperienced in there because they are and they're scared. He's probably not happy that I'm gonna go do this, but we're gonna find him. So I can see on my phone right now, I can see like where he's at and that he is moving. Looks like he must have pulled a U-turn. Oh no, I see where he's at. Oh, he's on the freeway. Maybe he's not on the freeway. Why is he driving so slow on the freeway? Okay, well, we'll go find him, I hope. Oh, whoa, he jumped. It's catching up. This is more difficult than I had planned. He's on one side of the golf course, I'm on the other, but I don't know which way he's gonna move here. I can see it on the map. I'll put the screen recording up. He's on the road. Okay, we're gonna turn. We're turning. Oh, yeah. Okay, there goes my phone. My phone's gone. It fell in the crack. Let's hope he turned left. Where is Lincoln? Look for a driver's ed car. Okay, I didn't see the driver's ed car. This is the road he would have been on right there. So he must be going this way. I need my phone back, it's in the crack. Oh, I see him up there. Okay. I don't have my phone, but okay. I know, car. The car just gave me a warning that I was following too close to that car. He's pulling over, but we found him. He's going in reverse. He's going backwards. He doesn't know that's me. He didn't know that was me right there. He didn't know I'm pulling over right here. He didn't know. I really don't want him to get distracted by me. Here he goes. Moving out on the road. Here you go. This is Lincoln's driver's ed training right here. The spy cam. I don't think he has any idea. Is he turning? He's turning! See if he catches or sees us. he looked at me and was like, what is my dad doing? What? Busted! He totally saw the camera. We're busted. We're busted! I don't want to throw him off. I didn't want him to see us. I thought I was sneaky enough, but apparently I'm not sneaky enough. I feel bad because it's throwing him off. He's probably a little embarrassed. Sorry, Lincoln. I'm not going to follow him anymore. I'm going to leave now, and let's catch up with him after his driving, because now he's going to be on the lookout for us, and I need him to focus on the road and to drive appropriately and not be bugged. I'm filming him. Let's talk to him in a minute after he's done with his class. All right, Lincoln, did it throw you off when I saw you at the thing?
Yeah.
Did you make a mistake? Did you move around weird or what?
No, I was just really I was really shocked. I didn't know what you were doing.
Just sitting. You saw my camera, or you just saw me?
Yeah, I saw your camera. It was really weird. And the teacher was like, "Who's that?" And they're like, "It looks like they're filming."
That's what he said. It looks like they're
And
filming.
then she's like, "What does he do for work?" I'm like, "This is just great."
It is the next day, and today he has his actual driver's test. It takes 20 minutes. You bring your temporary ID and $50, and you go with a different person. It's a totally different person, not the one that you've done all your hours and hours of training.
Parallel parking, 3-point turns, parking on uphill and downhill.
This is a big moment. It'll be fun. I'm not gonna stand outside with the camera. I gotta be sneaky and stealthy. I don't want to take away from his thing. But this is crazy. We've never had any of our kids actually get their license.
They always are like checking your speed. Like if you have a car where the speed limit's kind of like hidden from the other person, they can't check your speed. But like here, it's like speed limit, the actual speed limit of the road and how fast I'm going.
See, now you're speeding right now.
I'm
Slow down.
Not an hour. I'm sorry. There you go. Is that better?
That's better. Okay, so here's the deal. We have put Lincoln in the car with the driver. I will say, parallel parking, Lincoln just tried 3 or 4 times and needs some work on the parallel parking. It takes about 20 minutes. I hope he passes. There's definitely a chance that he won't. Not everybody passes their first time. We'll see. Okay, here he comes. He's driving fast. I hope he passed. I hope he passed. He's all done. I didn't follow him or anything. I didn't want to put more pressure on him, but there he goes.
This is gross. So give me a second to seal that envelope and you'll be set.
How'd it go?
He did fine. He ratted you out. I'm going, I think I know that guy because I've watched his videos.
You have a Tesla, I would
Well,
imagine.
yeah, that's where I started.
He was able to pass?
Yeah, he passed good.
Well, all right, here we are. Lincoln, did you pass?
I passed.
Yeah! What happened? How did it go? Did you mess up on anything? I was worried about your parallel parking.
Yeah, I messed up once on parallel parking. I put my blinker on too soon. I mean, too late, so I had a late blinker, and then tried to park in front of a fire hydrant,
You can't do that?
which I didn't really realize. I didn't really know
No
that.
parking in front of fire hydrants.
Yeah, so
He just told you to park somewhere and you
Yeah.
just randomly chose right in front of a fire hydrant?
he told me to park, and the fire hydrant was pretty close, and somehow I just picked that exact spot. So it wasn't great.
Oh, I love it.
It's okay.
But even with that, you passed.
Yeah, we're good.
The great thing is, it turns out the instructor is a super cool guy, and we didn't know who he was, but it turns out he's watched a lot of our YouTube videos on Teslas and also has solar panels on his house that he put in himself based off of watching Zach from Jerry Rig Everything's videos. So how does it feel to be done with that?
It feels great. I just can't wait to go in on my birthday to the driver's license, the DMV, and be like, give me my license. And then they just hand it to you. You don't have to do anything else.
Now, the only thing left in the way is he has 2 weeks of school left and he has to get all A's. And there's 2 classes that are online that he's only done 6% of the class and he has 2 weeks left. I see, I'm stressing, it's not a big deal. I just really want him to drive and he has to get all A's or A minuses. So that's the one thing. Hopefully it happens.
Talk about this every day.
I talk about it every day. I just want him to drive. So anyway, there you go. Driver school done. Good job. Nice work.
Thank you.
Today is officially Lincoln's birthday. Happy birthday, Lincoln. It's January 3rd. We got a random tweet today of famous people whose birthdays are today, and Lincoln was in the top 5. What?
you.
Number 2 was the girl from Black Widow. It's Yelena. She's the one that has like a Russian accent. And in the latest, I don't want to spoil anything, but in the latest show, what is the show called?
This is really
Hawkeye.
weird.
In the latest show, Hawkeye. One of my favorite moments. This isn't spoiling anything, but
It is. It is.
that totally spoils it. I can't even
Yeah.
say it. We have an appointment in 3 minutes, and it's his birthday, so we're gonna get the driver's license if they give it to him, and then we're gonna go do some fun stuff. So let's go see if we can actually get the driver's license. I'm gonna take my phone in to sneak some shots inside the driver's license building.
Do I need to read one of these? Okay. NKCDZRVHDVSO.
Is it blinking lights anywhere?
Yeah, left and right.
All right, thank you. All done. Do you wear contacts?
I don't.
Did he pass the seeing test?
I had glasses at one point.
Good job. We did it. You're officially licensed. That was a lot easier than I thought it would be.
It was. We didn't even we hadn't even one thing. They were like, oh yeah, you're good.
You're good to go.
Yeah. So we have temporary one.
And I'm gonna drive home.
Yep.
I'm still the better driver. But we are doing something for his birthday today. We are gonna be driving to Las Vegas and doing a little Top Golf. I would say you should drive, but we're gonna be bringing his friends, and there are some restrictions to his driving.
I can't drive until I'm 17, so a year from now, I can't drive between 12 o'clock and 5 a.m.
Oh, I had no idea.
I can't drive with somebody else who isn't over 21 with a license.
So you can't just like throw your friends in the car and go driving with them.
I don't think so, no. I have to be with somebody else. Like if you came and then they were like, then that would hurt. But,
Interesting. What are you most excited about for having a driver's license?
not having to ask all my friends for rides anymore.
Yeah.
That's what I'm most excited for, because like I don't need to go that many places. Really just school and the golf course and just some food every now and then. But still, it'll be nice not to ask for rides everywhere.
I was just getting my hair cut this morning. Looks pretty good. And the girl that was cutting my hair, I told her that my son turned 16 and we're getting his license today. And she couldn't believe that I had a 16-year-old son because she said that I look so young. Maybe that's just a thing people say. But in my mind, I definitely still feel like I'm like 20 years old. And it is crazy to think that Lincoln, who is just a little guy usually, is now all grown up. Like when I even look back on old YouTube videos and see pictures of him, I think that's a different person than now. He's matured, grown up, and it is crazy to think that I have a son that's 16 years old, and then the girls are not that far off. They're 13 and 11. But anyway, kind of a monumental day as a human, but also as a parent. So yeah, I don't know what to think about it, but we're gonna go party. So there you go. Happy birthday to Lincoln. Good job on your driver's license. Any last words for the world?
Be careful on the roads because I will be driving.
That's perfect. Look at this. According to that wall, Lincoln's with his hair is 6 feet, maybe 6'1". Wow. Oh, there's another student driver right there. Another one. That's a different school though. The list of 5 people, we won't even talk about that. I was gonna pull the tweet up as a screenshot because I thought it was really funny.
I gotta grab my glue stick out of my car.